Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to appear offline on PlayStation app. Now if you want to appear offline on a PlayStation app, then you need to simply follow these steps. So let the video begin now. You need to simply watch this video till the very end and make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. So let's get started now. To appear offline PlayStation app, you need to simply open the PlayStation app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from Play Store or App Store. So after that, open the app and you need to log into your PSN account or the PlayStation account. So if you have not logged in, click on the option of login and log into your account. So after that, you need to click on the option of profile icon, which will be at the very top right. So you need to click on the option of online status, or it may be shown as online or busy. So from there you need to click on the option of appear offline from the list, and from there your profile will now show as offline, meaning that your friend won't be able to see that you are online, but you will still receive messages and notifications, and others will think you that you are not online. So if you want to go back to online, then you may simply follow this step, same step and click on the option of online. So that's it. That's how you can appear offline on your PlayStation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.